Hey you all, it's Khushi this side, and today I have brought a very unexpected video. I don't know if you guys expect me to talk anything about spirituality and all, but these things I'm experiencing some really massive shift in my awareness, in my consciousness, and I really want to talk about body image today. Uh, it's been a couple of weeks since I am having, these realizations that per se you all know, like if you are into in spirituality, you know that we are not the body, we are the soul and stuffs. But what hit me that day that I was doing this mirror work, that sometimes when I'm stressed or I'm not feeling good or I just want to boost up my energy, my mood, so I do this mirror work where I just stand in front of the mirror, I look at myself and just I say some positive things about myself, like hey, you look good, you're doing good, or you deserve good things or anything, or forgive that person, forgive yourself, things like that, that actually helps me feel good. So on that day what happened, that I was like, I looked at myself, I took a clear look on myself, and I thought that, and it just occurred to me, I wouldn't say I thought, because no, I wasn't thinking, I was just looking at myself, I was observing, and something just occurred to me, and I realized that hey, wait, I'm not this girl. This girl means that I am, I am like, I am this body, but I am not this body. On the other hand, I have this body. I guess I'm soul, if that what works, but I definitely am not this body, because hell, I know nothing about how to work, how my body works. If I am the body, I should know about my body, how it functions and the stuffs and this and that, but I'm not controlling anything. I'm not I'm not ordering my body to do anything, I'm not directing it to do anything. It's everything is being done, you say subconscious mind or whatever, but I definitely am not it. I rather have this body. And that realization kind of stuck me. I just sat there on my bathtub, and I was just contemplating, like I have this body, I have this body, so I'm not this body. So if somebody gives something to me, I should not criticize that. Like, this is so inhumane if I go about telling that person that hey, look, what you gave is not good, it doesn't look good, it doesn't fit good, I mean, it way too much, it looks so skinny. I mean, there are so we do not go around criticizing that gift. Your body is your gift, at least that is how it hit me. Like, I have this body, it's like this body chose me, and I am being given this body. तो ये मेरी नहीं है, मैं इसमें रह रही हूँ. I am residing in this body, and if my body decides that it don't want to belong to me, it don't want to be with me anymore, and if it gives up on me, what am I then? Just energy. People have no idea about that, about soul and anything. Nobody knows what happens when I die. I die, and I meaning body. When my body dies, people instantly start referring to you as a body. Move this body, take this body from here, take this body from there, move this body to that place. They do not call you with your names. Like, if I die, nobody's going to say that move Khushi there, move Khushi there. No, they are going to refer to this body as this body, because that is what it is. This is a body, but this is not me. So I don't know if I'm making any point, but my point is, do understand the fact that you have this body. You have been given this body. This body is a gift to you. This body decided that, okay, I want this soul, to place inside me, to give this soul certain experiences that can only be experienced through a physical body. And that's why the body decided that it wants you, and the soul decided that the soul wants this body. This body is perfect for any experience that you want, in your life. And therefore the both energies had a mutual understanding, a mutual, like a mutual thing, that okay, let's work out together, let's tune in together, and let's go out in the world. So you are being given this body. Think about for a moment, like let this thought sink in, like contemplate on this thought. So now that you know that this body is a gift, stop treating it like a trash. It is never yours, okay? You do not own this body. It is a gift to you. So what do you do about gifts? You do not criticize the gifts. I mean, I don't know what kind of human would do that. I mean, you better like, and if you don't like, per se, you are obese or you are too skinny. I'm just taking an example. There's no judgment about it. So for example, think how can you better this body? Because of course I am not at all gonna preach that being obese and being overly skinny is healthy. That is plainly nonsense. That is not, and that is not body love. When you appreciate the gift, you will start taking care of the gift. You start appreciating the gift. You know that whatever you are going to experience is going to experience through this body, through these eyes, these ears, these senses, this mouth, this voice, this hearing, this smell capacity. I don't know if it sounds all cliche or whatever, but sink into it. Okay, you are obese, but you did not get obese overnight. Nobody gets up one day and think, oh my god, I slept fine but I woke up obese, or I woke up fat, or I woke up skinny. That doesn't happen. It's every day and every day what you eat and what you put inside your mind, that is shaping your body, just like it's shaping your reality. Okay, so I would preach that health is wealth. Take care of this body, eat good, sleep good. Sleep is most underrated factor in regard of your health, in regard of fitness. Sleep good, and I'm not gonna say sleep 6 hours, 7 hours. Aim for more than 8 hours. I personally need about, when I sleep between 8 to 9 hours of sleep, I wake up feeling refreshed. So explore your sleeping pattern, like see how much sleep is good enough for you that you wake up feeling refreshed. Like if it's 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours, I don't know. So if you don't sleep, your mind doesn't work good. It cannot remember so many stuffs, and it cannot function so good, and your ability to question, your ability to think, your ability to contemplate stuff is like out of the option. You're not gonna do that. You're just gonna follow the same pattern over and over and over, what your people are doing around you, what the society is doing. आप ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाओगे, आप सोचोगे नहीं, because you're not getting enough sleep. Your brain is not like getting enough, like recharge. It's not able to recharge itself well enough. So you can educate yourself more about this thing. There is YouTube videos, a lot of documentaries, podcasts. Go educate yourself if you want. But in nutshell, मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि आप जब तक इस बॉडी में हो तब तक तो इसकी केयर करो. जब आपके पास बॉडी नहीं है, आपके पास कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं आने वाली. आप सोल हो, आपके पास दुनिया भर का ज्ञान है, नॉलेज है, वो किसी काम का नहीं है. देयर इज़ अ रीज़न वाई योर soul craves a body, because those knowledge that the soul has, the soul wants to experience that, and experience only comes through the body. The body is only a tool that can help you experience pain, joy, sorrow, depression, anxiety, stress, and then joy, love, compassion, kindness, all of these things, you know, like all of these things, be it negative or positive, but you get the experiences through this body. If you don't have this body, you feel nothing. You know everything. I guess soul knows everything, we are the source and everything, but you feel nothing. And to feel, you need the body. So honor this body, respect this body, take care of this body. It is not yours, honey, it is a gift to you. To understand that, and it would be only good if you take care of this gift as best as you can, as good as you can. Feed it good, I mean, take care of this gift that it lives. I mean, you are given this gift in a full vitality of health. And what do we do with this health, this gift? We bring all kind of sickness to it. And when we leave this body, we do not leave it healthy. We leave it with all kind of disease possible, you know, like we leave it obese, we leave it with depression, we leave it with cancer, with heart disease, with lungs disease, with I don't know how many diseases out there. Like, I'm not educating myself on disease much because I'm more conscious on educating myself about the wellness of the body, wellness of the mind. And that's what I'm saying, that ये गिफ्ट आपको दिया तो अच्छी तरीके से जाता, आपको दिया बिल्कुल हेल्दी तरीके से जाता है, बट आप इसके साथ करते क्या हो? जब आप इस गिफ्ट को गुड बाय करते हो तो आप इसको किस स्टेट में ला के गुड बाय करते हो? प्लीज़ ऐसा मत करो। आपके पास एक ही बॉडी है, एटलीस्ट एक लाइफ में तो एक ही बॉडी है। एंड इस बॉडी का हो सके तो जितना केयर कर सकते हो आप करो, बिकॉज यही बॉडी है जो आपको हर तरह का फीलिंग्स को एक्सपीरियंस करने का मौका देगी। तो जस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ दिस बॉडी, हनी, लाइक ओ माय डियर लव्स, यू डोंट own this body, like you are not this body, you have this body, and this body is a gift to you. So take care of it. That is all for today. I hope it helps you in any way. And मेरे YouTube videos, I don't know what it's all gonna be about, because my mental health is shifting, my awareness is shifting. So I'm gonna share anything that I feel is speaking with me, and I don't know I'm gonna follow in discipline or not, but I am sure that I'm gonna bring you really some mindful stuffs. And if you want more of such mindful stuffs, then you can totally consider sticking around. I would love for you to be there, because it feels good when I have some beautiful people around me, sharing their thoughts with me, what they think about it, how they think about it, and what, like, let's exchange thoughts, messages, connect with each other, and above all, take care of the gift that you are being given. See you in the next video. Bye bye.